Hi, it's Curly Bessie Jala. Welcome back to another series of Edu Curls. Today, we are going to talk about the transition. If you previously have rebonded hair and gusto mo nang i-embrace yung natural curls mo, syempre, dadaan ka sa transition. Napapansin mo na sa rebonded hair mo, lumalabas na yung tinatawag nating sumpa. Ayan, kailangan mong patubuin muna. So, yung transition phase na sinasabi ko ay yung phase kung saan palagi mo na kayo magtatali ng buhok habang pinapatubo ninyo yung curly hair ninyo. Sa time na to, stop using heat already. Wag na kayo magpa-rebond, and at the same time, wag na kayong gumamit ng mga products na may silicones, mga alcohol, and so on. Slowly but surely, after na phase na tali kayo ng tali ng buhok ninyo, unti-unti namang mag-form yung natural curls ninyo. As you can see, ito yung buhok ko mga 3 months after kong putulin yung rebonded part ng hair ko. So, give your hair the time to grow kasi doon palang babalik talaga yung natural curls ninyo. During that time, ito yung mga products na pwede ninyong gamitin. And this is some sample routine as well. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me for